Hello. Hi. Have you moved here recently? Yes, I have moved. I am Das. What's your name? My name Nhung. Where you from? I come from Thái Bình. You come from Thái Bình? Do you know single Sơn Tùng MTP? Yes, I know him, but I don't like him. I like international music. I love Maroon 5 very much. Oh, I love they too. That's a convenience. Do you guys from the school? Yes, I have guys for 2 years. What do you do? I work as a lawyer. And you? I work as a programmer. How long have you had that job? I have had this for 1 year. Are you married? No, I am still single. How many people in the Zoom? There are 2 people. What is your roommate name? Her name is Phương. Can I have your phone number? My telephone number is 1 6 7 7 3 3 0 S S S 1 6 7 7 3 3 0 S S S. Yes, and you? My telephone number is 196 2 6 5 6 7 6 S 196 2 6 5 6 7 6 S. Yes. It's always to meet you, Nhung. Me too. See you soon. Bye. Okay, bye bye.